beautiful Grand Turk. We are up in Lido Marketplace before we get off the ship. We're enjoying our breakfast. There it is right there. I will see you guys when we get off the ship. So we decided to come to the Grand Turk Lighthouse because we spent a lot of time in the cruise port last time we were here. But we're only going to be here for a little bit because they were out of golf carts, so we're paying a cab driver to actually stay here. I'm going to throw my drone up real quick, but here it is, the Grand Turk Lighthouse.
So tame.
Right up to you. Can I pet him?
Yeah, you can pet him.
So after we spent some time at the lighthouse, we went back to Margaritaville where we hung out, got some food, we swam in the pool for a little bit, and then we went back to the beach where you have the beautiful view of the Mardi Gras, and I was actually able to get an unlocking license for my drone and fly my drone here, and we also did a little snorkeling, so here's some footage from all of that. Alright guys, well after relaxing on the beach here at Grand Turk for a little bit, we're about to go up to the ropes course, and hopefully this time I don't chicken out on the zip line.
Is your GoPro on?
Good? I think so.
Oh yeah, perfect. To the right.
Woo! going nuts. And tonight for dinner, we're going to Guy's Pig and Anchor. So at Guy's Pig and Anchor, you can actually select the food that you want. And you can see my selections here. This was actually our second time on the cruise coming here. All the food here was fantastic. It was free. The desserts were good. The barbecue was delicious. You can see they have all the sauces. But yeah, I highly recommend Guy's Pig and Anchor. Well, a very good morning from unfortunately our last sea day on the Carnival Mardi Gras. However, I just want to take a second to talk about some of our future cruise plans, because originally in July we were supposed to be flying to Rome, boarding the Odyssey of the Seas, and going on a 6-day Greek Isle cruise. However, the flight prices are a little too much. The trip would end up costing us around $5,000–$6,000. We don't really feel like spending that much money right now, but instead we booked the Carnival Panorama from Los Angeles in July. It's a Mexican Riviera cruise going to Cabo San Lucas, going to Puerto Vallarta, and going to Mazatlan, or however you pronounce that. I'll learn it eventually. But yes, that is our next cruise. It's only 4 months and like 19 days away from right now. We're really looking forward to going to Cabo. So that's what we got planned now. So it's quickly becoming one of my favorites on a Carnival cruise ship is the Uncle Jerome. Look at how good this chicken sandwich is. Easily, I think it's starting to pass Guy's Burgers for me. I know that's a big statement, but it's easily becoming one of my favorites. Well, guys, it's that unfortunate, sad time again. We are fully packed and have to debark the ship in the morning. But we do have the Carnival Panorama coming up in July. Really looking forward to that. Plus, we're starting to think about the Carnival celebration. So, we'll see what happens in the future. Now I'm going to go walk around the ship, film some of the stuff that I thought was really cool. So, I'll see you guys next time. Well, guys, that's it from the beautiful Carnival Mardi Gras. We absolutely love this ship. If you get the chance to sail on her, definitely do.